Okay, continuing with a little bit more rounding. Another example where we're rounding to the nearest tenth. I circled the digit in the tenths place. That's what we're rounding to. That's the only place that will have a digit. I look to the right of that and I see that it is 5 or greater than 5. Yes, it is. No, it's not. Yes, it is. It is greater than 5. That means we're going to round this number up. We're going to make it bigger than 7.96172. Round up. How are you going to do that? You're going to increase this tenths digit by 1. So when we add 1 to 9, we get 10. Put down the 0, carry the 1. That's 8. And that decimal goes right there. What happens to the rest of these digits? They go away. We did not round this number down by crossing them out. We rounded it up. We made it into a bigger number. Okay, similar when we're needing to round to the nearest hundredth. I've circled the digit in the hundredths place, and I'm looking at the digit to the right of it. It's greater than 5, meaning this number is going to get rounded up. And what's going to happen to this digit that I circled? We're going to add 1 to it and keep the numbers that are in front of it. We're going to get rid of all the rest of that. We rounded this number up to 9.64, where it was just 9.63873. Okay, here's one rounding to the thousandths. Okay, so it's tenths, hundredths, thousandths. So the 1 is circled. We're looking at the digit to the right of 1. It's less than 5, so we're rounding this number down. Getting rid of these. Keeping all of that. When it says round to the nearest thousandth, make sure you only have digits out to the thousandths place. Okay, here's a good one. Round to the nearest thousandth. The 9 is in the thousandths place. I'm looking at the digit to the right of that, and it's bigger than 5, meaning we're going to round this number up, meaning this digit that I circled is going to be increased by 1. When I add 1 to 9, I get 10. Put down the 0, carry the 1. 1 and 2 is 3. Bring down the 4 and the decimal and the 3. The rest of these digits go away. We rounded the number up to 3.430. And when it says round to the nearest thousandth, be sure you have a digit in the thousandth place, even if that digit is just a 0. Okay, and here's one more. Rounding to the nearest thousandth. This second 9 is in the thousandths place. And after that is a 5. 5 or greater, that means we round up. So we're going to add 1 to 9 and get 10. Put down the 0, carry the 1. Add 1 to 9 and get 10. Put down the 0, carry the 1. 2 and 1 is 3. Bring down the decimal and the 4. The 5 and the 6 go away. And we rounded that number up to 4.300.